Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nivya and today I want to show you how you can style your hair even if you have not washed your hair for the past 2 days. Yes, that's exactly when I washed my hair 2 days back, and this is what I have done with my hair even when they were greasy, oily, sticky, whatever. But yeah, this is how they'll look. In case you want to know how to achieve this gorgeous voluminous hair, please continue watching, but also please take a minute and subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post an amazing video like this. So yeah, do that and let's get started. In this video I will be styling my hair using Dyson, my trusty. This is the best purchase I have done by far. It's shit expensive for sure, but it's worth every penny. Ever since I've got this, I have legit stopped using any other hair tool. I just hate going back to my iron rods or my straighteners and all of that, because there is so much direct heat on your hair, and I just prefer if I can style it with lesser heat, why not? So that's why Dyson has been a game changer in my life. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just jump into this video and let me show you how I style my hair, which is greasy, oily and everything, but we still gonna make it work. Okay, so before we jump into this video, I want to explain you a few things, how Dyson actually works and how the technique actually works with Dyson. The thing is that Dyson is not using a direct heat which is freezing your hair. तो आप जो भी इसमें टेक्निक यूज हो रही है, it's air pressure. As I said, there's a little bit of construction work going on, but let it be. You focus on my voice, don't focus on whatever it's going on in the background. Just ignore that. So yeah, you need to keep in mind that Dyson is not using a direct heat source, so it's not gonna be as long lasting as of using a straightener for your curls or using a tong for your curls. So we need to keep in mind that the hair can't be entirely wet, entirely dry. The hair has to be slightly wet in order to make your hair stay for much longer. So make sure that your hair is detangled completely. We're gonna use some section clip. Yeah, so once your things keep falling here. So yeah, just section your hair. I like to section my hair in 2 sections. Divide my crown area. I would go directly like this, divide my hair into 2 sections. What I like to do is I just take any spray bottle like this. I am using the Dabur Gulabari spray bottle. In this there is rose water. When my hair is not washed, sometimes I do like to spray some rose water as well. It just makes your hair smell so good. It will not make your hair greasy. You don't have to be worried about that. So I just like to spray some rose water like that. I spray a little extra on my ends because they are super dry since I have colored hair. And once that is done, I just like to distribute the water evenly all throughout. And I would just take a section of my hair. I'm not gonna take a lot bigger section. I just like to take these kind of medium sections.
So whenever you use Dyson on damp hair, it makes your curls last way more longer as compared to styling dry hair. So always make sure जब भी आप अपने बालों को स्टाइल कर रहे हो जो freshly washed नहीं है, just spray some water, उनको थोड़ा सा गीला कर लो, and you will notice that your curls will not only last longer but बहुत fresh और less frizzy लगेंगे. So that's one trick I like to do with hair which is not freshly washed.
So once I'm done styling this section, now I'm going to move out to the remaining crown area. What I like to do is make another 2 sections. I like to keep my hair into center parting, so I'm gonna take out center parting. Now I'm gonna just use a section clip. Just use a clutcher, whatever works for you. Yeah, looks really funny, but who cares, because it's gonna look nice in a bit. Making sure that it's completely detangled. Once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna go back to my rose water. Use this all over my hair just to dampen it a little. Don't just crunch your hair like this and then spray water, because then again the same uneven situation is gonna happen. कहीं से ज़्यादा गीले हो जाएंगे और कहीं से dry रहेंगे. Spread your hair like that, like so. Open your hair and keep spreading, making sure that your ends are nicely moist, and keep spreading the water like so. I'm not going to focus on this hair because this I'm going to style in the end. These are my curtain bangs, which are not anymore curtain bangs, they've really grown out, but I would still style them in the end. So I don't moist those hair. I just like to keep my focus on this chunk, making sure, like I said, the ends are super dry, so making sure that my ends are nicely moist. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side.
So I'm just gonna fast forward this section because you know the drill, how to just keep curling your hair until you reach the front section. So fast forward that. So for the other side, this drill is the same. Brush your hair thoroughly, detangle your hair, make sure there are no knots. Spray some water evenly all throughout your hair, making sure the ends are very important, that they are completely moist, because only then the finish of your curls are gonna be good. Otherwise usually curls नीचे से खुल जाते हैं अगर हमारे ends ढंग से wet नहीं होंगे. So make sure of that. See, that's what I was talking about. I mean, just look at my curls right now. There is zero frizz. They look so salon-like curls, and trust me, they are going to last so much longer. It's all about trick with Dyson. It's nothing rocket science, you know, guys. Honestly, I am so damn happy with the results. I mean, look at those curls. Wow.
For the remaining section, what I like to do is I just grab this front section, and so that I don't mix it up these two sections, I just like to clip it like so.
Once you clip it down, just make sure that you brush your hair properly, bring them into a detangled situation, and once you're happy with that, now comes the magical product which I swear by, which is the Anomaly dry shampoo. It is the most amazing dry shampoo available in the market. I have tried so many because I definitely need a dry shampoo in my life at all times, and this one is just a game changer. As you can see, there is zero white cast whatsoever, and it just blends into your scalp so nicely, leaving it super fresh and amazing looking. So if there has to be one product which I would recommend you to get your hands on from this video, it has to be the Anomaly dry shampoo. As you can see, my hair from the front section is very oily because that's where I get most of the oil and sweat. But the moment you apply this and you just do a little bit of blow dry situation, आपके बालों से suddenly सारा oil चला जाता है. I mean, you just have to see it for yourself. They look so fresh, don't you think so? It has zero white cast and it blends into your scalp like no other. So yeah, highly recommend the Anomaly dry shampoo. I've been using it for past 2 years and I'm gonna not stop using it, that's for sure. Now, just to loosen up your curls and make them little more bouncy and voluminous, just flip your hair upside down and give it a good wiggle. That's all you need to do, and wow, look at that. Such a voluminous hair.
Can you believe that this is not a freshly washed hair? I mean, they look stunning, right?
So I really feel it's all about the right technique and using the right product in the right way to achieve good results. And as you can see, I haven't spent anything extra on my hair, but I have still achieved these gorgeous voluminous hair in no time.
So that's how I actually like to blow dry my hair if my hair is not freshly washed. And honestly, nobody can tell that I did not wash my hair for 2 freaking days. It looks amazing, especially the front section. Just by doing that small little step, it just makes the whole difference. Also, just by adding rose water, it does not make your hair oily whatsoever. In fact, it just makes your hair smell so good. and I just love to spray rose water instead of just normal water. So I would really like to make more realistic videos like this, where I know I can solve some sort of a problem in your life. And I know a lot of times we are in that situation where we don't want to wash our hair and we don't have the time, sometimes we don't have the energy, sometimes it's both. And yeah, so I know for that situation this video might be really helpful for you. In case you have any other question, please feel free to drop in a comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Till then, take care.